Meaning of faggot.
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 Faggot. The word faggot is a derogatory term for a gay man. It is a harmful and offensive word that should not be used. The word has a long history of being used to oppress and marginalize gay people. It is associated with violence, hatred, and discrimination. Using the word faggot contributes to a climate of intolerance and hostility towards gay people. If you are looking for a word to describe a gay man, please use a more respectful term, such as gay or homosexual. These words are accurate and do not carry the same negative connotations as faggot. It is important to be aware of the power of language. Words can hurt, and they can also be used to build up and empower. When we use language that is harmful and offensive, we are contributing to a culture of intolerance and discrimination. Let's all do our part to create a more inclusive and welcoming world by using language that is respectful and affirming.